So here at Mount Stromlo High School, both staff and students were keen for students to become more active and get physically involved in how they get to school. So we wanted to create a unique project that the kids could easily access, and it was very sustainable for us as a staff to run and also then support and reward them for. One of the first steps that we did with starting our project was we got a pre-survey done to find out how the students were getting to school, either by bus, car, walking, riding, and then we used that data to then map out how we could improve the way that the students got to school in a more active way. Students used a problem-solving approach called design thinking to create their idea, and then once we had that solid idea, we were able to move forward. So we put these QR codes in and around the community, in underpasses, on routes that we thought students would access.
If you ride or walk to school, you'll most often pass an underpass with these QR codes. It's designed so you'll scan them, you put in your school details, and you'll get a merit and a running into a competition, and there are minor prizes to be won and one major prize.
So students actually came up with the name Move at Mount Stromlo and actually created that as a hashtag, and they promoted that through social media to actually spread the word of what we were creating here. Students didn't know what it was at the beginning. All they knew was this name kept popping up and appearing for them on their social media, and that started the word of mouth.
Our initial startup costs were really low. We just basically got some QR codes made on some signs that were, they're reasonably heavy duty, so they're not going to be pulled down or destroyed easily.
Another awesome thing about our project is that we're using free technology. QR codes and the apps that students can get off the app stores are free.
Our running costs are nothing. As I said before, just getting the signs made and the prizes to incentivise it, the only cost. So it's all using free technology.
The program is super easy. For us as staff, all we do is look at our Google Doc and we can just see who has been entering in. And all the questions that we set up on our original form for our Google Doc makes it structured and easy to access, and everything we need is right there on that one form. For our students, it's also super easy. All they're doing is just riding to school. As they see a QR code on the way to school, scan in, and that's all they have to do. They can just fill in the quick little questionnaire.
Each morning I ride to school, and right outside my house I just go down a hill and there's an underpass right there with a checkpoint on it.
Inclusivity is a big part of this program, and we want to make it accessible for everyone. So if students want to or are able to get dropped off part of the way, and then they can still participate. They can still go get dropped off at a point, go past a code, scan it, and then they're in just like everyone else.
It is a whole school program, and it's really been working because each term the number of entries has increased, and the reward system is really great because it's sort of just a way to motivate kids to do it, and we hope to sort of influence other schools to come up with ideas like this to help students become more active.
We're really proud of our project that we're running, and it's almost like a little symbol around the community that we are promoting to get to school in an active way.
It's that easy. They walk or ride or run to school, they get a few mates together and they scan the code, put in a few little bits of information.
Not everybody can either do a sport, they might not be able to afford it, or they might not be interested, so this is just an alternative to be more active and to essentially just be more healthy.